Esteemed viewers, I would like to welcome you all on behalf of my FIP group comprising of Osama Yusuf, Muhammad Ali, Saida Ariba Kazmi, and myself Tasneem Adnan. This video is part of our final Kaavish evaluation, and the idea is to introduce and summarize the findings of our FIP. Think of a student whose top priority is to look fashionable and on point in university, while not letting his money go to waste. He is randomly scrolling through his Instagram when he suddenly comes across a picture of his friend's cousin wearing a shirt which he really likes. He tries to search for it using a Google text search, but finding an item that is visually similar and available locally is extremely time consuming. Other than that, finding intricate design patterns and color combinations would be almost impossible using a text search. Even if one attempts to make it possible, the entire process would be very time consuming and may lead to inefficient results. This problem is identified by the students of Habib University who realize how important can it be for some people to find a matching shirt for their pair of jeans. For all such fashion-related problems, we present to you the personalized outfit recommendation system, which is a highly scalable web application that solves all these problems with the conveniences of a modern e-commerce. This outfit recommendation system was created as a one-step solution for the fashion needs of millennials and Gen Z.
So moving on to our methodology. Speaking in terms of uniqueness, not only does our product allow comparing prices from numerous local stores for different clothing items, but it also introduces, for the first time in Pakistan in this context, the ability to shop from different stores based on input user images. We have these four primary modules within our FIP, so let's see each of these in action. Right now, you're seeing the final appearance of our storefront, which is the user-facing side to our application. In terms of features, it allows users to create and edit their store accounts and manage authentication and so on and so forth. It allows them to browse different local stores, different collections that we have on the store. We also have a special brand called Kaavish, which is supposed to depict how any local store can appear on our storefront. If you like a product, you can go to the product page, select the size and the material that you're interested in for that particular product. You can add it to your cart and you can check out, and everything will be automatically synchronized with other parts of the applications, for example the dashboard. Other than these core features, a customer can also upload an image to fetch recommendations from the AI model. As you can see right now, these are pre-uploaded images that we've pre-compiled for purposes of demonstration. The first type of recommendation is visually similar. So items from the store that are similar and from the same category matching will be displayed. The other is visually complementary. So items that would go well with your image will be displayed. Moving on to the dashboard. This is the admin facing side of our application. So an admin can dynamically update pages, product details, add or remove brands, view or query customer profiles, order details, add website discounts, vouchers, all that good stuff.
The dataset which we are using is called Deep Fashion. It is the largest and best annotated publicly available dataset in the domain of fashion. It consists of more than 800,000 richly annotated images which are labeled with 50 categories and 1,000 descriptive attributes. It also contains rigorous benchmarks for testing the performance of algorithms for clothes recognition. As you can see, the sample data on the screen is of Western outfits only, so as a part of the novelty of our project, we incorporated Eastern wear as well. However, we were unable to find any local dataset, therefore we scraped some local stores like Zelbury, J. Furor and Export Leftover to train our model on Eastern wear. These stores are also available on our website. We also photographed the outfits of our friends from DSSC 2020 for testing our AI model and created a dummy brand named Kaavish, which is also available on our website.
I'm sure you must be wondering, so how does this work? At the core of our AI system is a convolutional neural network, or CNN for short. This is the same technology that powers self-driving cars. The CNN converts an image of a clothing item into two sets or vectors of numbers. These numbers capture details of the clothing item, including its style, pattern, and color. When a user searches for visually similar clothing items, the items on the store with feature vector closest to the uploaded image are returned. Here are some of the results. Notice how the retrieved items match the style, the pattern, and the color of the original. So how do we even know that this works? Well, don't just take our word for it. Our model has been thoroughly tested at every stage and tuned for optimal performance. It significantly outperforms FashionNet, which was published in 2016 by the creators of the Deep Fashion dataset and has been the de facto benchmark in the field since then. And that's not all. We extended this functionality to also recommend clothing items that are visually complementary to the one in the uploaded image. Using our AI model, we first extract the category and the color of the clothing item in the uploaded image. A series of rules is then evaluated to determine which category of clothes can appropriately be paired with the item. For example, a shirt can't be paired with another shirt, and shorts aren't generally paired with jackets. This is combined with color matching rules that have been extracted from professionally curated outfits, ensuring that the final recommendation is both appropriate and aesthetically appealing.
In the future, we would like to deploy all the components onto the cloud along with integration with storage providing platforms such as AWS and Heroku. We would like to collaborate with more brands of Eastern fashion and extend this project to a complete range of men's and women's clothing to make Eastern recommendations more robust and intelligent. Additionally, we would like to incorporate the likes, dislikes, and purchase history of our customers to make their experience and recommendations more personalized.